أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته إخوة إيمان إن شاء الله بإذن الله كريم. Brothers and sisters, just to remind you guys, we are now done, almost done. I know some countries they are maybe behind, but in UK we are almost done. We have like few hours left to complete, and I don't know, maybe some people they might fast tomorrow. I'm not sure, because for us who started the 18th of February, we are almost done, inshallah. So to remind you guys, remember that the Ramadan is holy month, but after Ramadan also we need to continue with our worshiping of God. It doesn't mean that you only worship God during the month of Ramadan, and then later on or after Ramadan you go back to your normal ways of doing fahisha or some other things. But you need to continue what you have been doing in the Ramadan. So that is what we're supposed to do. So just to say thank you for those who follow me sometimes with my normal actually advice or greeting or Quranic verses. We all learn from each other, and sometimes people they give me some support. I really appreciate that. So just to remind you, please keep it up, keep it on to do good things whenever you have opportunity. Don't say that I only help people during the Ramadan time. No, you have to help people even after Ramadan, in fact all the time. Yeah, inshallah. So you also get reward, you get thawab. Sadaqah is not only in the month of Ramadan. Charity is not only in the month of Ramadan. You continue doing it again and again, yeah, throughout your life time, and it's good. It will help you in hereafter, inshallah. Bidhnillahi kareem. Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan Mubarak, Som Makbul. I know tomorrow we're gonna celebrate the Eid, inshallah, Eid al-Fitr. So with that few remarks, I just need to say thank you very much. Have a good day all guys, and continue reminding one another to do good and to prevent bad things, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.